Hello viewers, in this video we will interpret the specific information written on a motor, on a nameplate of a motor. So let's start. At the top, KSB with its logo is mentioned. This is a motor attached against a KSB pump. This is a three-phase motor as mentioned just right below. And in the first row, the frame number and serial number of the motor is written. This motor can be identified by this particular frame number and serial number. Below that, the horsepower HP and then the power in kilowatt is mentioned, which is 100 HP and in kilowatt it is 75. Just right of that, the frequency range of input supply is mentioned, which is in between 5 to 100 Hz, although the motor is operated at 60 Hz in our case. Below this, the RPM is mentioned. RPM range is 150 to 2954 revolution per minute. And then IE is mentioned. IE is a number which shows the efficiency of the motor. IE1 has a standard efficiency, IE2 motor has high efficiencies, IE3 motor has premium efficiencies. The increasing number shows the increasing efficiency of the motor. Below that, power factor is mentioned, although the value is not written here, but in our case the motor power factor is 0.8. means 20% energy is lost in insulation, winding and mechanical losses. Below that, insulation class is written, which is class F. Class F means the motor insulation or the insulation of the internal winding can be withstand against the temperature of 155 degrees Celsius. Increasing letter shows the high resistance of insulation against the temperatures. At it writes the IP value is written, which is 55. IP 55 means ingress protection against dust and water. First digit 5 means when dust particle continuously being put on the enclosure, it doesn't pass the enclosure. The second digit 5 means when a continuous jet of water put on the enclosure, it doesn't pass the enclosure, but for a limited time. Similarly, IP66 motor means enclosure can bear dust particle and water jet for a long period. Below that, motor rating is written. S1 motor means this is motor designed to run continuously, for example for whole day, for 24 hours. The motor weight also mentioned, 571 kilograms. In the last row, the motor bearing is mentioned. 6316 C3 bearing are installed at drive and non-drive end. At the right matrix, the motor will draw 400 volt against delta and 690 volts against star connection, 131 ampere against delta, 75 against